And one last thing. A few days ago, this building in Dallas was set to be destroyed. Tower's supposed to come down, this big commercial development's supposed to go up. Simple. So they set all these explosives around the building, they fire off, most of the building falls down. But then...
Did it come all the way down?
Oh, no! Wow!
Nothing. This central column of offices is left standing there.
These cores could be really tough. We did a lot of prep work to prep for it, but unfortunately it didn't come over.
And you might have heard about this by now, is the Leaning Tower of Dallas, because standing right there today near a highway underpass is this 11-story building, 35 feet shorter, a lot skinnier, and now tilting 15 degrees.
Drivers keep hitting the brakes on 75 just to get a peek at the Leaning Tower of Dallas.
And what's happened in the last 48 hours is a race to be anywhere within photo distance of this building. Anyone who has ever wanted a shot of themselves holding up the Leaning Tower of Pisa, but didn't actually want to spring for a plane ticket, well, this is your chance.
I don't know, it's just something you don't see in Dallas. You see
Some people in the area have become so enamored with what they call their new landmark that they're starting petitions to keep it around, which structural engineers will tell you is a really, really bad idea. But for now, with wrecking balls on the way, the state that already has a town called Paris, Texas, also has a little piece of Pisa. Honestly, this is just an excuse to relive the greatest botched demolitions of all time. You ready? The Pontiac Silverdome, remember that took a couple times? There's this building in Australia, if you watch it, they're using jackhammers to try to get it down. Finally, they get cranes to literally push it over, and the greatest TV moment of all time, when everyone's getting psyched to watch the Georgia Superdome implode, well, a bus stops in front of the live stream camera as it's happening. Like, the bus arrives, it's there, the bus leaves, it's just gone. Nothing lasts forever, you guys. So let's do this again tomorrow. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Hit us up with a rating and review. It really helps us out. I'm Brad Milkey. See you tomorrow.